Hello everyone! Today I will share a very delicious creamy pork tenderloin and mushroom recipe. The recipe is very easy to make and it tastes fantastic. The ingredients needed are listed in the description section below the video. Start by preheating 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of butter in a large pan under medium to high heat. While the oil is preheating, slice the pork tenderloin into inch-thick slices and season them on both sides with kosher salt and black pepper. When the oil has preheated, arrange the pork tenderloin slices in the pan and cook them for 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Meanwhile, slice the mushrooms as you desire, depending on the size of the mushrooms you bought. When the pork tenderloin has cooked on each side for 3 to 4 minutes, remove it from the pan and add the other 2 tablespoons of butter. Then arrange the mushrooms, sprinkle with salt and cook them for 5 or 6 minutes. Towards the end, add the minced garlic, oregano and chicken broth and let the broth bubble for a couple of minutes. Then stir well, arrange the pork tenderloin slices back in the pan and pour the heavy whipping cream. At this point, turn the heat down to medium and sear for 6 or 7 minutes or until the sauce has thickened. Make sure the sauce is quietly bubbling and not boiling. When done, serve and enjoy. I hope you liked this video, and if so, please give it a thumbs up. If this is your first time visiting my channel, please consider subscribing. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Goodbye.